Hotel Riu Bambu sits on Arena Gorda Beach in Punta Cana, and here's something most travel videos won't tell you. This property is managed by Riu Hotels and Resorts, a chain known for clustering multiple properties in the same beach zone. That means you're not just booking one hotel's amenities. Many Riu guests discover they can access facilities at neighboring sister properties, effectively multiplying your dining and entertainment options without paying resort hopping fees. Whether that privilege extends to Riu Bambu guests isn't always advertised upfront, so confirming inter-resort access at booking could be the difference between 5 restaurants and 15. Now let's talk about what we know for certain about this Dominican Republic resort. Hotel Riu Bambu is located in Punta Cana's Arena Gorda section, specifically at Playa Arena Gorda. This is not a boutique hideaway. Riu Hotels and Resorts operates the property, and what matters here is the location itself. Arena Gorda translates to fat sand, a reference to the wide, generous beach that stretches along this part of the coast. You're on the eastern edge of the Dominican Republic, where the Atlantic Ocean meets the Caribbean Sea, and that confluence creates the kind of turquoise water that looks photoshopped but isn't. The beach here, Arena Gorda Sandy Beach, sits roughly 700 meters to 1.5 kilometers from the hotel depending on which wing you're in and which path you take. That's a 10 to 20 minute walk, not a quick dash and flip-flops. Some travelers appreciate the buffer between their room and the ocean crowds. Others find it inconvenient when they're hauling beach gear and kids. The walk itself is flat and shaded in parts, but if mobility is a concern or you're traveling with toddlers and all their equipment, factor that distance into your daily rhythm. The beach itself is public, which means you'll share the sand with guests from other resorts and locals. That can feel lively and authentic, or it can feel crowded depending on the season and your tolerance for beach vendors. Nearby, you'll find Punta Blanca Golf Club, roughly 900 meters to 2 kilometers away depending on your starting point within the resort. Golfers serious about their game will appreciate the proximity. The Iberostar Golf Course is another option, sitting about 1.8 to 2.6 kilometers from the property. If you're planning a golf-focused trip, you're within striking distance of multiple courses without needing a rental car, though a taxi or resort shuttle will still be necessary. Cana Bay Golf Course is about a 10-minute ride, adding a third option for those who want variety in their tee times. For families, Splash Water Park, also called Splash Park Aquatico, is located between 0.5 kilometer and 1.6 kilometers away. That's close enough to visit multiple times during a week-long stay without it feeling like an expedition. The park offers slides, lazy rivers, and splash zones that give kids a break from the ocean and pool routine. It's a solid half-day activity, and the proximity means you can return to your room for a nap or snack without losing momentum. Princess Tower Casino Punta Cana is 4.5 kilometers from the hotel. That's not walkable, but it's a short cab ride if you're interested in table games, slots, or the kind of late-night energy that casinos provide. The casino isn't massive by Las Vegas standards, but it's a legitimate venue with enough variety to keep things interesting for a few hours. Plaza Punta Cana sits roughly 850 meters away. This isn't a sprawling shopping mall, but it offers a handful of shops, cafes, and services that can be useful mid-trip. Need sunscreen, a phone charger, or a quick bite outside the resort? Plaza Punta Cana covers those bases. The obelisk, a local landmark, is about 1 kilometer from the hotel. It's not a major tourist attraction, but it's a recognizable reference point and a decent photo opportunity if you're exploring the area on foot or bike. Gordacito Beach is a 10-minute drive from the property. This beach has a different vibe than Arena Gorda, more compact and lined with local restaurants and bars. If you want to experience a Dominican beach scene that feels less resort-dominated, Gordacito is worth the short trip. You'll find grilled fish, cold beer, and a soundtrack of merengue and bachata that doesn't come from a poolside speaker system. Aromas Museum is 6 kilometers away. This isn't a traditional museum. It's a combination cultural center, artisan workshop, and gift shop where you can learn about Dominican coffee, cacao, and tobacco production. If you're interested in the agricultural side of the island and want to bring home something more meaningful than a keychain, Aromas Museum delivers. The tours are informal, the samples are generous, and the staff is knowledgeable without being pushy. The hotel itself falls under the Riu Hotels and Resorts umbrella, a Spanish chain with a strong presence in the Caribbean and Mediterranean. Riu properties tend to follow a consistent formula, large-scale, all-inclusive, and designed for volume. That means you're not getting boutique touches or hyper-personalized service, but you're getting predictable quality and a lot of amenities under one roof. The exact star rating for Hotel Riu Bambu shows some inconsistency across booking platforms. Most aggregator sites listed as 5 stars, though at least one source noted 3 stars. Star ratings in the Caribbean can be subjective and vary by the classification system used, so it's more useful to focus on what the hotel actually offers rather than the number of stars on the door. Room counts also show some discrepancy in the available data, with figures ranging from 6 rooms to 740. The 6-room figure is almost certainly an error, likely a data entry mistake or a reference to a specific room category rather than the total inventory. 740 rooms makes far more sense for a RIU property of this scale. Large room counts mean the resort can feel busy, especially during peak travel seasons like Christmas, spring break, and summer vacation. It also means you're less likely to feel isolated or bored. There's always something happening, always someone at the bar, always a pool chair available somewhere on the property. Let's keep it real. The lack of detailed property information means some questions remain unanswered. We don't have guest review scores, specific complaints, or detailed feedback about service quality, food variety, or room conditions. That's not ideal when you're trying to make an informed decision. If you're considering Hotel Riu Bambu, your next step should be to visit the official RIU website directly, read recent guest reviews on platforms like TripAdvisor and Booking.com, and confirm current amenities and policies. Hotels renovate, management changes, and what was true 2 years ago may not reflect the current experience. The distance to the beach, roughly 700 meters to 1.5 kilometers, is a factor worth considering seriously. If you're traveling with young children, elderly family members, or anyone with mobility challenges, that walk can become a daily obstacle rather than a pleasant stroll. Ask about shuttle services, golf cart availability, or room assignments closer to the beach access points. The RIU brand's strength is in delivering a predictable, large-scale resort experience. If you thrive in environments with lots of activity, multiple dining options, and a bustling social scene, that formula works. If you prefer intimate settings, personalized service, and a quieter pace, a smaller boutique property might suit you better. The location in Arena Gorda puts you in the heart of Punta Cana's resort corridor, which means convenience and access, but also means you're in a heavily touristed area. The authenticity of your Dominican experience will depend on how much you venture beyond the resort gates. What makes Hotel Riu Bambu worth considering is its position within the RIU network and its proximity to a solid mix of activities. You're not isolated on a remote beach with nothing nearby. You have golf, water parks, casinos, local markets, and multiple beach options all within a short distance. For families, that variety can make or break a week-long vacation. For couples, the nearby Cordacito Beach and Aromas Museum offer opportunities to experience the island beyond the resort bubble. The fact that RIU operates multiple properties in the area also means you're likely to find airport transfers, excursion bookings, and local knowledge readily available through the hotel's tour desk. The Dominican Republic's appeal lies in its combination of Caribbean beauty and relative affordability, compared to islands like St. Bart's or Turks and Caicos. Punta Cana in particular has become a hub for all-inclusive resorts because the infrastructure is solid, the beaches are stunning, and the airport is modern and well-connected. Hotel Riu Bambu fits into that ecosystem as a reliable mid- to large-scale option managed by a brand with decades of experience in the region. Whether it's the right fit for your trip depends on your priorities. If you value location, access to activities, and the operational consistency of a major hotel chain, it checks those boxes. If you need detailed confirmation of room layouts, dining quality, or spa services before booking, you'll need to do additional research beyond what's available here. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.